In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share workspaces in Smartsheet. A workspace is the shared home for related sheets, reports, and dashboards, and giving the right people access to it keeps your projects organized and your team aligned. I'll walk you through the exact path to share, explain what each choice means, and offer a few tips so you can do it confidently the first time. Start by looking to the left sidebar and clicking Browse. This opens the area where all your workspaces live. From here, choose the specific workspace you want to share. Once you've found it, right-click the workspace name to bring up the context menu, and then click Share. This opens the sharing window where you'll add people and set exactly what they can do. In the Share window, add people by typing a name, an email address, or a group. Names may autocomplete if your organization directory is connected, and groups are a great way to give consistent access to several people at once. Take a moment to double-check what you enter so access goes to the right place. Next, set their permissions. This determines what they can see and change across everything in the workspace. Viewer is read only, perfect for stakeholders who need visibility but shouldn't make edits. Editor allows people to make changes to items, which is ideal for contributors who update sheets or reports. Admin gives broader control, including the ability to manage sharing, which you should reserve for trusted owners and project leads. Choose the lowest level that still lets each person do their job. You can adjust permissions later if needs change. There's also an optional message field. Use this to share context, like why you're granting access, what to review first, or deadlines to keep in mind. A clear, concise note reduces back and forth and helps recipients get started immediately. When everything looks right, click Share to send the invitations. Recipients will be notified and can jump straight into the workspace with the permissions you set. If you prefer to post the access in a team chat or ticket, look to the bottom left of the Share window and click Copy Link. This provides a direct link to the workspace. Access still follows the permissions you've assigned, so only authorized people can use it. That's it. Browse to your workspace, right-click and share, add people or groups, fine-tune permissions, include a helpful message, and finalize by sharing or copying the link. Follow these steps, and you'll keep collaboration smooth, secure, and efficient across your Smartsheet workspace.